Oh crap.
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dickinson County in central Kansas, Geary County, southeastern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, Morris County, southwestern Waubonsee County, until 9 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ogden to Ramona, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail.
Dang.
60 miles per hour wind gusts have been reported along this line of storms from law enforcement and trained spotters. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Manhattan, Junction City, Harrington, Council Grove, Alma, Ogden, Grandview Plaza, White City, Alta Vista, Hope, Dwight, Woodbine, Wilsey, Parkerville, Latimer, Council Grove Lake, Vollen, and Burdick. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 295 and 327. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm watch.
You were late, I am, boss. I couldn't catch you alert. I couldn't catch you alert right on time, but hey, it's after the last header.